Well, if you've watched HouseSmarts or listened to HouseSmarts radio with any regularity, you've heard me talk about Wet and Forget and what a terrific line of products they make. Our Noodaloo 2 is a new version. It's called Wet and Forget Rapid Application Hose End. This specially designed bottle allows you to connect a garden hose to the end here and spray the concentrated cleaner up to 30 feet. This bottle will cover 2,000 square feet, which means you don't have to get up on a ladder. If you've got algae or moss or mildew growing on the side of your home, you can spray it from the ground all the way to the top. You can even apply it to your roof to take care of all that buildup that's on there. And with the cleaner, it will take care of that mess and make it look new again. Now, while Wet and Forget itself is not a new product, this new concentrate and their new hose end is a newer version of an old friend. Now it's time to head into the workshop for Ask Lou.